Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to share a really quick video with you all. Anyway, I received this awesome little Halloween postcard from my good friend Disa, and I apologize, girly, for sharing with everyone a little late, but anyway, I did receive this a while ago. I just have the time just now to share with everyone, but it's super cute, you guys. It says fortune teller, past, present, future, crystal ball, and tarot cards. Super cute. And then it just on the back, it just says Happy Halloween. And Eileen, may the slipping veil and full blue moon gift you divine ancestral wisdom. Now, if you all know, my girlfriend Disa is an author, and she is away with words. I love it. And it just says, Fortune Kitty says, yes, and I already read that. And that is it, guys. But she did send me birthday mail a while ago, and this is the postcard that came after, and I apologize. But there's another happy mail I have to share with you all. This is from our good friend Kat, who is Lolly Thimble here on YouTube. I just wanted to share with you all her sticker. So cute. Okay, she told me that it was birthday mail and that I didn't have to share it if I didn't want to, but girl, you know I have to share this, and I told her when I get into a good headspace I would share it. So I am there, and let's open this baby up. Oh, she has a little birthday card. Oh my gosh, I see something super cute already. Whoops. Okay, let me see her beautiful card. Let's eat cake. Oh my gosh, look at this cake. All kinds of good cakes. Oh yes, girl. So it says, have a sweet birthday, warm wishes, and abundant blessings to you, sweetie. Much love, Kat. Kat? Oh my gosh, girl. And then she's got her little note, and I think I'm going to read this off camera because it's very personal. So I will read that once I get through this video. So here we go, guys. Let me take everything out. Oh my gosh. All right, let me see. We're gonna start with this one right here, because if you don't know, I love Star Wars, and Kat and I share that common love. We both love our Star Wars adventures. Oh my gosh, Kat, what did you do, girly? Oh my goodness. I think I just made it tighter. So let's see if I can scoot it off. Because I could be fussing with this the whole time. Whoops. But look, it's Princess Leia. Yes, Princess Leia. I was Princess Leia for Halloween one year. This was back when I was younger. When I was younger. And I'm no longer younger. Thank you so much, Kat, for thinking of me. You did not have to, but I always love your creations, so I'm just imagining what you have done. Oh my gosh. Let me move this to the side. Oh my gosh. You guys. She never disappoints me at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, she used my favorite collection. Oh, this is oh, there's her stamp right there. Oh, nice. Oh no, that's a handwritten. There's her stamp. See the kitty? That's her stamp. Lavender by Prima. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I have this collection and I can never. Wow. She's got some grosgrain ribbon around the edge of the frame, and girly, it came in perfect because the little stand is on there still, and all of these beautiful flowers and laces most likely were thrifted, because my girl has a way of thrifting. She finds the most gorgeous things to craft with. Look at what she did, guys. So she parted the paper. She put a little snip and then she rolled it down. And there's a little bow here, and she tucked in some beautiful lace. And she, what is it called? She just rubbed a little bit of that purple ink on there, and there's a little bling, teeniest, tiniest bling right there. And then look at her flowers. There's a little key. There's so much detail. That's why I'm just taking my time, because this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And she tucked more bling in here. And the thing with Kat, I've said it before, you have to look at everything, because she will hide stuff within her creation, and it's up to you to find all of it, because it's like a little, you know, never-ending gift. You got to keep searching. You'll always find something beautiful to look at. And I think she used some Stella. Oh my gosh. And she tucked in some tulle here. I love the Stella. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at all that sparkling beauties. And then there's some flat back jemmies that she added on there. She distressed the edges of the paper. Oh my gosh, you guys. So beautiful. This beautiful ribbon. There's another one of those blings right there. It's this little strip of blings and the flat back jemmies. Oh my goodness. There's another key. See? It's tucked in here. Real nice and subtle. Oh my gosh. There's another one. So there's another blingy. Oh my goodness. Just so much beautiful details. There's another flat back. You got to lift up things. It's like a hidden garden. It's little blings. You got to search them out. Just so much detail, you guys. So gorgeous, Kat. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And then the back, she's, you know, it has to be finished. So she distressed the paper on the back too. And then she inked it. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Look at that edging right here. And I think she just, you know, that technique with the like scissors or something. And then she just used the beautiful purple. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love this, Kat. Look at that. So there's bling down here. And another key. Oh, I love it. She is so amazing. So amazing. I'm going to leave it like this so we can see it. I think we could see it like that. And then she has another little gift right here. This ribbon is so pretty. It says just for you. And of course it's purple, so you know, love it. And then, oh gosh, she was so thoughtful, you guys. I wish one day we can meet in person. She's very loving and giving of herself, like such an amazing person to many of us crafters here on YouTube. Whoops. So, my goodness, I can't say enough of her talent. Very, very talented. What? Look at that. She even put a note. Place photo or memo here. Oh, so it stands up. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is a purple gigantic paper, not paperclip, clothespin. And look at how slick she is. I don't know if you guys can see that. She put her signature on the inside paper here. Can you see that? Like barely, but it's there. And her stamp. And it says 2020. Oh my God. It says, you got this. And she's using the same paper line. She inked the edges. She got some little flags here, a little banner. Oh my gosh, crochet flowers. There's the bling and some more lace. So she pretty much took this and put it on a paper clip, you guys. I mean, she finished the insides of the paper clip clothespin. So gorgeous. And then the other side is finished also. She has flower clusters and some bling and this gorgeous lace back here. a banner and the flat back jemmies, and this one says hello. I love the distressed edges. I really do. Another one of her crochet flowers and some tulle here. Just gorgeous, completely finished on both sides. Oh my gosh. And that will live on my desk like that. Beautiful cat. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love it. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. How do I do this so I can share it? There we go. Like that. Okay. Oh boy. I heard something clicking in here. Let's get this open. Oh my god. I don't know why it's already cut, but I don't know why I'm scared to open it. Oh my. Oh. Okay. I can see through the bubble wrap. Oh my god. Cat. Oh my god. You guys. Oh, if you could see what this is. Well, they would if you hurry up, I mean. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it smells, whoops. And it smells so delicious, you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm going to take the candles out. These are some candle holders. I'm just going to take that out. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I'm going to take these out so that I can tilt the box. Oh my goodness. You guys, there's a shape to the box. If you can see, it's not a regular rectangle shape. It's kind of tapered down. And again, she used the lavender collection and all the lace. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at what she did. She tied the tulle around it. So clean, so professional looking. Like, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, cat. Just beautiful. There she wrote it. Oh, her little stamp, and she put XO 2020. Isn't that gorgeous? She finished all the way around, you guys. What a beautiful birthday gift. Oh my gosh, Kat, I appreciate you so much, my friend. Oh, I don't know how to thank you. This is so beautiful. Look at this. I almost missed it. So the cluster's here, and then she's got this little note here. It says, love you. Every side is finished. Love the purple shades. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. She painted everything, and then she applied her papers, and then there's bling and the laces and the flowers. They're all just so completely finished and gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you don't, oh, I hope she comes back. I believe she said she might give it a shot, but there's no guarantee. But I do wish her to come back. She's such a marvelous talent for our community. We could learn so much from her. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And you know, I don't know. I'll get back to normal soon. But as for now, this is what I got for you. Thank you all for watching. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.